Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick little share on a pocket folder that I made. I don't know what it's called. But I've been inspired because I've seen other women here on YouTube making folders, pocket folders, and so I wanted to make one that would be able to be included in flat mail. And so I think I've achieved this. It's just a little something to share, and just I'm thinking of you kind of thing, nothing major, but how I did. So let me show you what it is. Okay, so this is the cover, and when you open it up, there is a pocket here that I just cut out some memory decks cards to share, and I layered them so they stack in here. And then on the back side of the pocket, I just added a rosette. So real simple, like I said, it just uses a 12 by 12 paper. I'm not sure about this. I'm probably going to add something to cover this because I'm not liking that. Like either washi or some kind of trim. I'm not sure. But this is the 12 by 12 paper that I did use. Let me zoom out. Zoom out. Here we go. So this is the 12 by 12 paper that I used. I did cut it in half, so it became 6 by 12, and then I did score it at 4 and 8. So that's the fold, 4, and this is the 8 score, and then I just cut it on a diagonal. Okay, got my cutter, my scoreboard. You're not gonna see the whole thing, but I am cutting it at 6. So both of them are at 6. And then, like I said, I'm scoring it at 4 and 8. Both of them 4 and 8. And then, as you see, this is the cover. This is the inside pocket. Folds over to make the inside pocket. You would just cut at a diagonal here to form this pocket and glue here and here. And then the back was like this. You score here, you adhere this and this together, and that's how you get it. So in my sample, I did do the exact same pocket on both of them, but this one I don't think I will. I want a more steeper pocket, if that's the word. Okay, so I am going to use my craft glitter glue that is clogged. Oh, lovely color there. That's because, do you know why? The pin that I'm using, it's not stainless steel. Okay, so that one is pocket, is good, I think. Just want to burnish it to make sure it stays, because if you stuff it, you don't want it popping off on you. And then this one. Okay. Ooh. So that's that one. This is this one. And then we want to adhere those two together, which I think I'm just going to use a tape runner. So I broke down and went to Michael's and bought some adhesive. And believe it or not, that's the only thing I bought. I was so proud of myself. Oh, but I walked around and looked at everything, man, which probably made it worse. Let's line it up to the edge. Line it up to the edge. I don't know what all this black soot stuff is. I must have something on my desk. I gotta wipe it down. But there you go. And then if you just have some index cards you would, memory dex cards you would like to share, then you can add them right there to the pocket. There. And then a rosette there. And I believe it is still flat enough to go through as one stem. So this is my little pocket share. You can embellish this, but the more you embellish it, that's why I chose the picture paper. The more you embellish it, the thicker it's going to get. So there you go, just a cute little flat happy mail to share. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate you coming back and supporting. For more videos, you can see here. And until my next video, shakas.